Hi, welcome to the Arrow Workshop. Today we're going to show you the features and applications of the ET200BN Professional Electric Brad Nailer. The Arrow ET200BN Professional Brad Nailer does it all. The tool's adjustable depth control knob allows the operator to set the correct amount of power for every job, matching the size of the brad nail and the materials being nailed together. The ET200BN features a 6-foot power cord, a soft comfort grip, a full-size trigger, contact safety, and a convenient quick-release magazine. The easy color-coded system helps you select the proper brad nails for your project. This tool is perfect for general home repairs, trim work, lattice work, and DIY craft projects. Thank you for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. We hope you enjoy your new tool.